Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you find your Fly Delta membership card and number. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the account button down below in the left side corner of the screen, then go to the top and click on the third section, My Wallet. Here you can find this Sky Miles membership card, so tap on it to check out your QR code, and here you can find your number. And if you want to add it to your wallet, click on the Add to Wallet button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then it will be added to your Apple Wallet if you tap on the Add button at the top. So here you will be able to find it, so feel free to use it if you purchase. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.